everyone, welcome to number 16. I hope you've got a drink with you today, cup of tea, cup of coffee, because today is a bumper edition. Oh, we've got all of these kits to unbox. So I got these from Amazon and they cost me £8.99 for 4 kits. Let's open it up and we'll have a look at them. Four cute little kits. Right, which one to open first? Let's do him peeping out. All right. There we go. Put that aside. Look. Oh, it's such a diddy little kit. I mean, it says 25 by 25. I think it's actually smaller than that. But look at him, so cute. Right, let's measure straight away. I think they all will measure the same. And what I liked about this was you could do this easily in a day. And then when you've got all 4 together, it would make quite an impact on the wall. Right, we have got, I would say 19.5 by 19.5. So let's take a closer look at the symbols we have. Oh, nice, good. We've got 1 to 9 numbers and then the rest are capital letters. And then we've got the DMC codes down the side, which is always nice to have. As you know, I like to know what numbers, ready for the leftovers. All right, just smoothing this down a little bit. Get rid of those creases in the... Oh no, I've made it worse. And then we'll have a closer look at the canvas itself. The canvas is a nice weight. All right, there, that's better. Okay, so the canvas is a nice weight. The symbols are clear. I would say the hardest to read are probably the number 1s, which is all of the dark background, 3 10s, as you can imagine. But having those 3 10s in the background are going to make all these colours pop. Oh, it's making a pipe. Not to be recommended, children. Right, let's have a look at the toolkit. All right, a basic toolkit, green tray, pink wax, diamond pen, no multi-placer, and some spare baggies, which is nice. Have a look at the diamonds. Okay, we've got round diamonds. The packs don't have the DMC code on, so we'll have a look at the back of them. Yeah, so we've got 2 packs of 3 10s. Look quite sparkly. No dusting in the bags. So they look good. Okay, a grey. Do you think that's his beard? Sort of a light peach, a darker grey. That's quite similar, but yeah. So 3 different greys for his beard, I imagine. A muted orange colour, red and green, classic Christmas colours. Are they both the same? No, they're not. They look quite similar. We've got a terracotta colour, a pale peach, another grey, lighter, another muted orange, brown, red, pink, and 2 yellow tones. So nice colours in there, typical Christmas colours as you would expect for the stars and the holly and the berries in his hat. Really, really good. And those diamonds, let's have a little look. They all look uniform in shape. Yeah, they look good actually. I'm going to say good for that. So 4 kits for £8.99. Ooh, I need to do a bit of maths there. Is that £2.33 per kit? Is that right? 2, 4, 6, 8. Yes, I think so. So £2.33 per kit. Good value, I would say. Let's open the next one. Let's open this one. Have a little look. Ooh. Oh yes, there we are. Sometimes it's quite tricky to see where these plastic covers open. So this one is a reindeer prancing through the trees. Prancing, prancing through the trees. There we go, just rolling it this way because this one's a little bit more folded than the last one. So aren't they lovely designs? Again, I think this will have 310 as the background. Yes, it does. So that will marry up nicely with the first one. But another great thing about these is that, I'm just going to measure this one as well, see if it's 19.5. The great thing, yes it is, yeah, about these is that you can either keep them together and do one yourself each day, or if you've got children, you can let them have one to do each, you know, so you can give them as gifts. I mean, what great little stocking fillers for diamond painters. £2.33, and I think they'd be thrilled with these. The images are really nice and clear for little diddy kits, and each one, as you've seen, has its own toolkit and diamond packs within its own cellophane, so easily separated. Isn't that great? Okay, the symbols, again, 1 to 9, and then capital letters. And this time, the background is a number 2. There we are. Okay, which is the 310 to match the first picture. We'll have a look at the colours in this one. Okay, so we've got a brown, probably the reindeer brown, 3 10s, yep, 2 packs of those, a dark grey, I would call that, what would I call that? Probably a mid-green, orange, grey, 2, 3 sort of earthy colours, red, another earthy colour, terracotta, orange, a dark mint green, a sage green and a yellow. So this one's more autumnal in colourways. There we are. Really cute. And can you imagine all 4 of those on the wall together? And if you didn't want to frame them, you could cut around and stick them on some cardboard, you know, if you didn't want to go to the expense of frames. We'll see them all together at the end and discuss that later. Okay, which one next? Shall we do this one next? What do you think this one is? It's mainly blues. See if you can have a guess while I'm opening them. Oh. Ah, a happy snowman. Of course, you've got to have a snowman. There we are. He looks a cheeky snowman, doesn't he? He reminds me a little bit, I think it might be the hat. Sorry, I've got it all messed up. I think it might be the hat. But do you think he looks a bit like Cat in the Hat? And he's got a cute little snub nose. And look, his smile looks like they're going to look like stones dotted along. That's got to be 310. Yes, it is. Oh, really cute. I'm not going to measure because he'll be 19.5 like the other two. And the symbols again, 1 to 9, and then capital letters. And this background is a blue, like dark blues. Let's open up the drills and have a look. Again, another toolkit with the extra baggies in. So each one does have its own. His colours. Where's number 1? There we are. So we've got 2 muted pinks, sort of a mid and a light. 3 10s. Now there's not many 3 10s this time. 2 grey colours. A very, very dark green. A bright pink. A dark mushroom. A bright green, a cream, dark blue, cranberry, 2 dark blues. They same colour? Yes, they are. So they are 823s, 2 packs of those. So I think that'll be the background. Another bright green, a sort of a muted red, lilac, turquoise, 2 turquoise. Yeah, they're the different colours. So we've got 3810 and 3848. And then I would say it's an off-white, probably called winter white. That would be fun, wouldn't it? There we are. So they're his colours. And I think because the other two are black backgrounds and this one's going to be that dark blue, it'll look cool, it'll look gorgeous. Make those other colours pop. Right, last one. Okie dokie, looks like this could be... Do you think it's a Rudolph? Let's have a look. This is so much fun. This is so much fun. Oh, right. Oh, he's got a Santa as well. So, I think it's Rudolph with Santa and what could that be? A little mousey? Oh, I can see some candy canes as well, so perhaps they're sacks of toys there. Lovely, lovely, lovely little projects to do. Such fun. And as I say, because they're a quite bold picture, just because they're little, don't lose any of their impact. You can see exactly what they are. Right, symbols again, 1 to 9, and then capital letters. And the background on this one is number 3. Gosh, that is quite hard to see. They've printed it in like a gold. Oh, but it's a sparkly canvas. Number 3, 3 10s. Well, the other canvas is sparkly. I've just noticed it on this one. Oh, yes, they are. Little sparkly canvases. Sorry, I've just noticed that. Anyway, the number 3 in the background are all printed on sparkly gold. So, precious. Okay, let's have a look at the colours for the diamonds in this one. Again, same toolkit with the extra baggies. Wrong end. Sorry, everybody. Here we are. Number 1 is a muted pink. Then we have a brown. There's those 3 10s for the background. Only 1 pack though, not too bad. A grey, orange, 3 other greys. A bright red and green, classic Christmas colours. Peach, pale grey. 2 orangey browns, a brown, a red, it's sort of a browny purple, another muted orange, a green and a red. Classic Christmas colours in this one. Really, really fun. Right, let's get all of the pictures together. Okay, so they all have black backgrounds apart from this one. Can we get them all in together? I think I might have to zoom out. I can't quite get them all into one shot, and if I'll just scroll up so you can see my table. Look at that. It's covered with diamonds and kits. Oh dear. Right. So here are all 4 of them together. So you can see what I mean, that it would make a nice collection. And if you did want to split it up, I tell you what actually there's different permutations you could do. You could do, if you've got 2 children, you could do those 2 together. That would be nice. Or you could do those 2 together. That would be good. Or you could do those 2 together. Or these 2 together. See how many different scenarios there are with these 4 kits if you were gifting them. I just think it's brilliant. £8.99 from Amazon. So there we are. That's today's number 16. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you're back for tomorrow's number 17. See you there. Bye for now.